Welcome to Manager EDU. Today, I will teach you net present value, which is a very important financial formula in finance. NPV helps you decide whether an investment is profitable or not by comparing the value of today's money to the value of future cash flows. You will understand with this example. Suppose you are starting a mining business that will mine bitcoins, so it needs a mining machine. When we start mining, we will sell the bitcoins and earn money. But before starting this business, you will need some investment. Before starting this project, we will estimate the total expenses and the expected returns from the project. Using this example, we will deep dive into what net present value means and how it works. Let's say we start this project with an investment of $1,000 and it will continue for 5 years. As we estimated, it will give us a return each year of approximately $400. For first year, $400. For second years, $400, and so on until last year. At the end of the 5th year, the project is closed and the mining machine will be sold for $100. So, $400 for 5 years equal $2,000 plus 100 scrap minus initial investment of $1,000 equals $1,100. That is the total revenue by the project. But we also have expenses. Each year we have an electricity expense of approximately $150. So the net income per year is $250 minus $150, which equals $250 per year. So the total net cash inflow over 5 years is $250 multiplied by 5 years, which equals $1,250, plus $100 from selling the machine equals $1,350. Then we subtract the initial investment of $1,000, which gives a simple profit of $350. But this is a simple calculation. In the view of a financial manager, we cannot just add future cash flows directly. Why? Because of the time value of money. Money received in the future is worth less than money received today, due to 3 main factors. Inflation. Inflation is real. Things are always getting expensive, and the money is devaluing day by day. Earning potential. If the cash of the investment you keep in a bank, so the bank will give you profit for it without any extra work. Risk. There are high risks that can affect your investment over time. For example, if inflation is 3% and the risk factor is 2%, we might use a discount rate of 10%. That 10% is our required rate of return or discount rate. To calculate net present value, or NPV, we need to discount each future cash flow back to its present value using the formula present value equals future cash flow divided by open bracket 1 plus discount rate closed bracket raised to the power of the number of years. Alternatively, we multiply each cash flow by a discount factor where the discount factor for year n is 1 divided by 1 plus r closed bracket raised to the power of n. Let's calculate this step by step using a table. The table will have columns for year, cash flow, discount factor, and present value of future cash flow. We have the following data. Then the project will continue for 5 years and end after 5th year. Initial investment, $1,000, outflow at year 0. Net cash inflow for each year from year 1 to year 5, $250 per year. Additional cash inflow at the end of year 5, $100 from selling the machine. Discount rate, 10%, which is 0.10. First, the discount factor for year 0 is 1.0 because money today is worth its face value. For year 1, discount factor equals 1 divided by 1.10, which equals 0.9091. For year 2, discount factor equals 1 divided by 1.10 squared, which equals 0.8264. For year 3, discount factor equals 1 divided by 1.10 cubed, which equals 0.7513. For year 4, discount factor equals 1 divided by 1.10 to the power of 4, which equals 0.6830. For year 5, discount factor equals 1 divided by 1.10 to the power of 5, which equals 0.6209. Now, let's calculate the present value for each year's cash flow. Year 1, $250 multiplied by 0.9091 equals approximately $227.27. Year 2, $250 multiplied by 0.8264 equals approximately $206.61. And so on until last year. Now we sum all these present values. So, the total present value of all future cash inflows is approximately $1,009.78. Now, we subtract the initial investment of $1,000, equals $9.78. Therefore, the net present value, or NPV, is $9.78, which is greater than 0. Let's fit this to the graphical motions. As you know, we got the simple answer of $350, but that will not be considered by a financial manager. What will be considered is after applying the discount factor. The present value of the cash flow for the first year is approximately $227. For the second year, approximately $207. For the third year, approximately $188. For the fourth year, approximately $171. And for the fifth and final year, approximately $155 plus $62 from the scrap sale. After summing these, we deduct the initial investment of $1,000 and we get approximately $9.8. What does this mean? If NPV is greater than 0, it means the project is expected to generate more value than its cost, so it is a good investment. If NPV is less than 0, you should reject the project. In this example, NPV is positive, so we accept the project. One more thing. The simple calculation gave us a profit of $350, but after discounting for the time value of money, the actual economic profit is only about $9.78 in today's money. That is why financial managers use NPV to make better decisions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more such financial education videos. Thanks for watching.